Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another fantastic episode of Talk More English.
Hi there, friends. We're so excited and happy to have you here with us today.
My name is Sarah, and I love helping you speak English naturally every single day.
And I'm Jake, and I really enjoy teaching you useful vocabulary for everyday conversations.
Today, we have a super important topic that everyone talks about all the time.
That's absolutely right. Today, we're learning how to talk about the weather in English.
The weather. This is probably the most common conversation topic in the entire world.
Yes, people talk about weather every day with friends, family, coworkers, and even strangers.
Talking about weather is a great way to start a conversation with anyone, anywhere.
It's also called small talk, friendly conversation to break the ice and be polite.
Let's start by learning the basic question, how's the weather? Or what's the weather like?
Everyone, repeat after me. How's the weather? This is the most common question about weather.
Good. Now let's say, what's the weather like? This means exactly the same thing.
Perfect. You can also ask, what's the weather like today, to be more specific?
Great. Now let's learn how to describe different types of weather in English.
First, let's talk about sunny weather. This is when the sun is shining brightly.
Sunny weather. This is when there are no clouds and the sun is out.
Let's practice saying, it's sunny. Everyone, repeat this simple phrase after me, please.
Excellent. You can also say, it's a sunny day, or the sun is shining.
When it's sunny, people usually feel happy, energetic, and want to go outside.
Let's practice a complete sentence. It's sunny today, so let's go to the park.
Perfect. Now let's talk about cloudy weather when there are clouds in the sky.
Cloudy weather. This is when clouds cover the sky and you can't see the sun.
Let's practice it's cloudy. Everyone, say this phrase together with me right now.
Good. You can also say, it's a cloudy day, or the sky is cloudy.
Cloudy weather is not bad, it's just not sunny, and it might rain later.
Now let's learn about rainy weather. This is when water falls from the sky.
Rainy weather. This is when it rains and you need an umbrella to stay dry.
Let's practice, it's raining, or it's raining. Both phrases mean the same thing.
Everyone, repeat after me. It's raining. This is a very important weather phrase.
Great. When it's raining, you should take an umbrella or wear a raincoat.
You can also say it's pouring when the rain is very heavy and strong.
Let's practice, it's pouring rain. This means it's raining a lot right now.
Perfect. Now let's talk about snowy weather when white snow falls from the sky.
Snowy weather. This happens in winter when it's very cold and snow comes down.
Let's practice it's snowy or it's snowing. Say both phrases with me, everyone.
Excellent. Snow is beautiful, but it can be cold and make roads very slippery.
When it snows a lot, we call it a snowstorm or a blizzard.
Let's practice there's a snowstorm or it's a blizzard. Say them with me.
Great. Now let's learn about windy weather when the air moves fast.
Windy weather. This is when you can feel the wind blowing strongly around you.
Let's practice it's windy. Everyone repeat this simple phrase after me right now.
Good. You can also say, it's very windy today, or the wind is strong.
When it's windy, leaves blow around, trees move, and you might lose your hat.
Let's practice a sentence. It's so windy that I can barely walk straight.
Perfect. Now let's talk about foggy weather when you can't see very far.
Foggy weather. This is when there's thick fog and everything looks misty and unclear.
Let's practice it's foggy. Everyone, say this phrase together with me, please.
Excellent. Fog makes it hard to see, so driving can be dangerous in fog.
You can also say there's a lot of fog, or it's very foggy today.
Now let's learn how to describe hot and cold temperatures in English.
Temperature. This tells us how hot or cold the air is outside right now.
When it's hot, we say, it's hot, or it's warm, or it's boiling.
Let's practice it's hot today. Everyone, repeat this phrase after me right now.
Good. You can also say, it's really hot, or it's so hot today.
When it's extremely hot, we say it's boiling. This means it's very, very hot.
Let's practice. It's boiling outside. Say this phrase together with me, everyone.
Perfect. Now let's talk about cold weather and how to describe it.
When it's cold, we say, it's cold, or it's chilly, or it's freezing.
Let's practice, it's cold today. Everyone, say this basic phrase with me.
Excellent. Chilly means a little bit cold, not extremely cold, but cool.
Let's practice, it's chilly this morning. Say this phrase together with me.
Good. When it's extremely cold, we say it's freezing. This means very cold.
Let's practice, it's freezing outside. Everyone, repeat this phrase after me, please.
Perfect. Now let's learn about nice, pleasant weather that everyone loves.
Nice weather. This is when the weather is comfortable, pleasant, and just perfect.
Let's practice, it's nice outside, or the weather is nice today.
Everyone repeat, the weather is nice. This is a very common phrase.
You can also say it's beautiful outside when the weather is really wonderful.
Let's practice, it's a beautiful day. Say this happy phrase with me.
Excellent. Now let's learn how to describe bad or terrible weather.
Bad weather. This is when the weather is unpleasant, uncomfortable, or even dangerous.
Let's practice the weather is bad or it's terrible outside.
Everyone repeat, the weather is bad today. This is a useful phrase.
You can also say it's awful outside or the weather is horrible.
Let's practice, it's awful outside. Say this phrase together with me.
Perfect. Now let's learn some weather words about storms and thunder.
Storms. A storm is when there's heavy rain, strong wind, and sometimes thunder.
Let's practice there's a storm or it's stormy outside.
Everyone repeat, there's a storm coming. This warns people about bad weather.
Good. Thunder is the loud noise you hear during a storm in the sky.
And lightning is the bright flash of light you see during a thunderstorm.
Let's practice there's thunder and lightning. Say this with me, everyone.
Excellent. Thunderstorms can be scary, but they're natural and usually pass quickly.
Now let's learn how to talk about humidity, how wet the air feels.
Humidity. This describes how much moisture or water is in the air around us.
When humidity is high, the air feels wet, sticky, and uncomfortable on your skin.
Let's practice, it's humid or it's very humid today.
Everyone repeat, it's humid outside. This is common in summer months.
Good. High humidity makes hot weather feel even hotter and more uncomfortable.
Now let's practice asking about the weather forecast, the prediction for tomorrow.
The weather forecast. This tells us what the weather will probably be like tomorrow.
Let's practice asking, what's the forecast? Or what's the weather forecast?
Everyone repeat, what's the forecast for tomorrow? This is a very useful question.
Good. You can check the forecast on TV, phone apps, or weather websites.
The forecast helps you plan your day and know what clothes to wear.
Now let's learn how to describe the temperature using numbers and degrees.
Temperature numbers. We measure temperature in degrees, Celsius or Fahrenheit.
In most countries, people use Celsius, but in America, they use Fahrenheit.
Let's practice. It's 25 degrees, or the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius.
Everyone, repeat, it's 25 degrees today. This is a comfortable, warm temperature.
Good. In Fahrenheit, 77 degrees is the same as 25 degrees Celsius.
Let's practice, it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Say this with me, everyone.
Perfect. Now let's talk about how weather changes during different seasons.
Seasons. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. Each season has typical weather patterns.
In spring, the weather is usually mild, pleasant, and flowers start to bloom.
Let's practice, spring weather is mild and pleasant. Say this with me.
Good. In summer, the weather is hot, sunny, and perfect for the beach.
Let's practice, summer is hot and sunny. Everyone repeat this phrase.
Excellent. In fall or autumn, the weather gets cooler and leaves change colors.
Let's practice, fall weather is cool and comfortable. Say it with me.
Perfect. In winter, the weather is cold and it might snow in many places.
Let's practice, winter is cold and snowy. Everyone repeat after me.
Great. Now let's practice some common weather conversations that people have daily.
Yes, let's practice real conversations about weather like native speakers do.
I'll start. Hey, Sarah, how's the weather today?
It's beautiful. It's sunny and warm, perfect weather for a walk.
That sounds great. What's the forecast for tomorrow?
The forecast says it'll be cloudy with a chance of rain in the afternoon.
Oh, no. I should bring an umbrella just in case it rains.
Yes, that's a good idea. Better safe than sorry with the weather.
Perfect conversation. Let's practice another one about cold weather.
Okay, I'll start this time. Wow, it's freezing outside today.
I know, the temperature is only 5 degrees. It's so cold.
Did you wear a warm coat and gloves?
Yes, I wore my winter coat, scarf, and gloves. I'm still cold, though.
Maybe we should stay inside today and drink hot chocolate.
That sounds perfect. Let's wait for the weather to get warmer.
Excellent. Now let's learn some useful phrases about weather preferences.
Weather preferences. This means talking about what kind of weather you like best.
Let's practice. I love sunny weather, or I prefer cold weather.
Everyone repeat, I love sunny weather. This shows your personal preference.
Good. You can also say, I don't like rainy days, or I hate humidity.
Let's practice, I prefer cold weather to hot weather. Say this with me.
Perfect. Now let's talk about weather-related activities and what people do.
Weather activities. Different weather is good for different activities and fun things.
When it's sunny, people go to the beach, have picnics, or play sports outside.
Let's practice, when it's sunny, I go to the beach. Say it with me.
Good. When it's rainy, people stay inside, read books, or watch movies.
Let's practice, when it rains, I stay home and watch movies.
Excellent. When it's snowy, people build snowmen, go skiing, or have snowball fights.
Let's practice, when it snows, I build a snowman. Say this fun phrase.
Perfect. Now let's review all the important weather vocabulary we learned today.
We learned sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, windy, foggy, 6 main weather types.
We learned hot, warm, chilly, cold, freezing, boiling, temperature descriptions.
We learned nice, beautiful, bad, terrible, awful, opinions about weather.
We learned storm, thunder, lightning, humidity, special weather words.
We learned how to ask, how's the weather, and what's the forecast?
We learned how to answer with complete sentences and natural phrases.
That's so much useful vocabulary that you'll use in conversations every single day.
Now you can talk about weather like a native English speaker. That's amazing.
Remember, talking about weather is the easiest way to start a friendly conversation.
People always appreciate when you can chat about the weather naturally and comfortably.
Now, I want everyone listening to practice describing today's weather right now.
Look outside your window. What's the weather like where you are right now?
Is it sunny, cloudy, rainy, or snowy? Is it hot or cold?
Try to make a complete sentence. It's sunny and warm today.
Practice saying it out loud. Speaking practice is the most important thing.
You can also practice with friends by asking, how's the weather where you are?
The more you practice, the more natural and confident you'll sound in English.
Okay, everyone, that's all we have for today's lesson about weather.
We hope you enjoyed learning these useful phrases and practical vocabulary.
Now you can talk about weather in any situation, with anyone, anywhere.
Remember to practice every day, even just describing the weather you see.
Thank you so much for listening to Talk More English today.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great lessons every week.
And please leave a comment telling us, what's the weather like where you are?
We love reading your comments and learning about weather around the world.
Have a wonderful day and enjoy the weather wherever you are.
Keep talking more English, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye, stay safe, and enjoy the weather.